back to my channel. Today we're doing Sephora Play. Okay, so here's the brochure. We got some stickers this month. Hold on, let me hunt. And this is the last month they're doing Sephora Play. They're discontinuing Sephora Play. So month of April is the last month. I'm sorry, April is so late. I was sick, so we have an It Secret Sauce. So this should be good. We have an Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. I won't be using that because I'm allergic to mushrooms. We have a Verve Ghost Shampoo and Ghost Conditioner. I'm always down to try new new shampoo. We have a Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. We have the Real Mascara. And we have a Bare Minerals Mineralist lipstick in Honesty. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty shade. Let's take a look. I know last month that I got, I mean in March, I got the Drunk Elephant Lala Whipped Moisturizer. Love that stuff. I ended up having to buy the full size. And that's $60. I don't know why. Okay. Let's see. Nothing. Doesn't give the prices or anything, so. Alright, that's everything that was in our Sephora Play box. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put it in the comment section down below. And I do want to thank you and hope you have a wonderful